Replacing starter on 2006 Hyundai Tucson with 2.7 liter engine is not the easiest task. I watched few videos and I'm surprised that somebody wasn't able to put that cover back. It's not the easiest task to do. You don't have to remove it for the starter removal. What you do after you release those screws that are holding it to the starter, you push it up to the side, you push it to the side, and you start releasing screws that are holding starter into, I think, the crankshaft or whatever, transmission, whatever you call it. So you take this screw off, and the one that is right there deep, the rusty one, after you have those screws released, and of course that cover shifted back, you drop down starter, and then you release two wires. One is very skinny wire that is delivering 6 volts, is invisible from here, and one thick wire. Then you shift that cover all the way up as far as you can go. You take the starter down, and on the way back you do everything in reverse. It's not as hard. I mean, it's inconvenient. If you have to lay down under the car, it's very inconvenient. When you take all these covers from underneath of the car, the plastic that hides all of it, you have additional access with your hand through the front of the car, so that will help you to put the wrench and hold on to it for the upper screw right here. So that's my take on it. This is my observation. It looks harder than it is. It's very inconvenient, but it's doable by yourself.